You're about to change a field in Salesforce. But do you know what's about to break? That validation rule? Gone. That flow? Broken. Your sales team? Furious. Simple Ops Impact Analysis scans your entire org in seconds and shows you exactly what's connected before you change anything. Let me show you. Let's run an impact analysis on the tracking number field in the opportunity object. I'll enter opportunity, then tracking number __ C, and hit analyze. In seconds, the results are back. We immediately see a few high-risk dependencies, 2 validation rules tied to this field, and 1 active flow depending on it. We also see that tracking number is used on 1 page layout, which tells us exactly where users could feel the impact. And below that, we get profile level field security visibility, so we know who currently has access to the field. Now let's check a standard field, stage on opportunity. This is one of the most heavily referenced fields in any Salesforce org. I'll enter opportunity and stage name, then run the analysis. And as expected, this one lights up immediately. Stage is deeply embedded in automation, validation logic, and page layouts. So even a small change to stage values or behavior can create a ripple effect across the entire org. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.